वो बहुत असर हुआ है क्योंकि हमारे गाड़ी चलाने के लिए तकलीफ़ होती है, क्योंकि ज़्यादा महंगाई के कारण आदमी लोगों को बहुत तकलीफ़ हो रहा है, इसलिए महंगाई कम होना चाहिए।
All the prices go up, the vegetables and everything, so it's bad.
Obviously, it's going to affect the common man only, So I think, but still people will pay it.
प्राइस जो बढ़ी है आजकल, तो अमीर लोग अमीर होते जा रहे हैं, गरीब लोग गरीब होते जा रहे हैं।
I think in a way people will start utilizing the vehicles less because of this increase in price. People won't, when they have to go to the suburbs, they won't be going by their private vehicles. They'll prefer going by train or any other public transport. So I think it is good in a way, but at the same time it's hitting the people directly. So it affects the आम जनता।
जो मेरा ओपिनियन ये है कि डीजल का जो सब महंगाई हो रही है कोई अनुचित नहीं है, सब ठीक है। पब्लिक के पॉपुलेशन के हिसाब से सरकार कोई भी आएगी तो कम नहीं कर देगी। कांग्रेस जो कर रही है कोई सब अच्छा है।
It's getting difficult for them to buy their needs. They cannot live their luxury life that easily, which they could before.
Okay, that's affecting the inflation, like vegetables and all price are increasing day by day due to diesel transportation and everything.
डीजल का भाव बढ़ा है वो एक एंगल से अच्छा भी है क्योंकि हमारी इकोनॉमिक इंडिया की राइज हो रही है।
You will have lower impact on the diesel subsidy, so positively it will also create some reduce your deficit due to the diesel subsidy. So your SUV sales can also go down, or your automobile sales can now further show a negative skid because of this advantage that you have lost. Already petrol is costly, now diesel also being costly, we lose that.
After asking many people their views and opinions about the rise in price of diesel, many of them had to say that no consumer is ready to buy vegetables, which leads in shutting down of shops. While on the other hand, many of them had to say that because of the rise in price of diesel, the economy as well as the GDP has increased. With cameraman Swapnil, this is Poojan from Media Research Study Center.